Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from this company. They're looking for a part-time community manager. It pays up to $40 per hour. They are looking for an experienced social media community manager, a tech-savvy professional experienced in social media, PR, and promotional events. Our ideal candidate has exceptional oral and written communication skills and is able to develop engaging content. You should be excited to interact with the public on all social media platforms with great customer service skills and the ability to moderate online and offline conversations with our community through replying in the comments section or forums. You need the ability to foresee real-time upticks and pop culture moments happening online. Ultimately, you should be able to act as the face and voice of our brand and manage all community communications. This position is primarily responsible for weekend and holiday hours and will work closely with our social media manager and art director. Responsibilities and duties: assist with implementation of social media and communication campaigns to align with marketing strategies, responding to comments and customer queries in a timely manner, provide engaging text, image, and video content for social media accounts, monitor and provide report on weekend activity including feedback and online reviews and any relevant, important activity on client accounts, organize and participate in events to build community and boost brand awareness, coordinate with marketing, PR, and communications teams to ensure brand consistency, liaise with development and sales departments to stay updated on new products and features, stay up to date with digital technology trends. Qualifications: experience, proven work experience as a community manager and hands-on experience with social media management for brands. Team player, a willingness to join the family as a team player. Design, a one-of-a-kind perspective towards creating and designing original and dynamic content for all forms of social media that separates our company from the competition. Communication, great verbal and written communication skills, both internally and client-facing. Wit, ability to work in a fast-paced environment with the wit and humor to quickly respond to comments and engage the audience with interesting content. Advocacy, the drive to become an advocate for our clients so they feel supported by our services. Technology, the ability to use, understand, and navigate all social media platforms. Research, identifying social media trends and finding real-time online conversations relevant to our clients' needs. Time management, possessing superior time management skills pertaining to social media trends. Crisis management, possessing a great ability to identify potential negative or crisis situations and apply conflict resolution principles to mitigate issues. Requirements: this position is for weekends and holidays when needed. Bilingual in English and Spanish. Expertise in design software needed to execute assets, including but not limited to Adobe Suite, After Effects, JavaScript, etc. Marketing degree is welcome but not required with relevant work experience. Hourly range for this role is up to $40 per hour depending on experience. Hours will vary based on the needs of the business. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.